Do you want to speak English fluently? Then this course is for you. Welcome everyone. In this lecture, we are starting a new and very important learning journey. English grammar course for beginners to advanced learners. English grammar is the foundation of the English language. If you want to speak English fluently, write correctly, or understand English easily, then grammar is the first and most important step. In this course, we will learn English grammar step by step in a very simple and easy way. No confusion, no difficulty, just clear concepts with examples. Blue Book. In today's first lecture, we will understand what is English grammar, why English grammar is important, basic parts of English grammar, how we will learn step by step in this course. This series is specially designed for students who want to improve their English during summer vacation and build a strong foundation. So stay connected, watch every lecture carefully, and practice daily. What is English grammar? English grammar is the set of rules that helps us speak, write, and understand the English language correctly. It tells us how words are used, how sentences are formed, and how ideas are expressed in a proper way. In simple words, grammar is like a guide that makes English meaningful and correct. A letter is a single character in the alphabet. Examples: A, B, C, D, E. A word is a group of letters that has a meaning. Examples: book, school, teacher, apple. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Formula: subject plus verb plus object. Examples: Ali plays cricket. Why English grammar is important? English grammar is very important because it helps us speak English correctly and confidently. It makes our writing clear and mistake-free. It improves communication skills. It helps us understand books, exams, and daily English. It is necessary for jobs, interviews, and studies. Without grammar, English can become confusing. Parts of English grammar. The main basic parts of English grammar are: 1. Parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, etc. 2. Sentence structure: how sentences are formed. 3. Tenses: past, present, future. 4. Punctuation: full stop, comma, question mark, etc. 5. Articles: a and the. 6. Prepositions: in, on, at, under, etc. These are the foundation of English grammar, and we will learn them step by step in this course. English grammar basic parts, with definitions plus examples. Next, parts of speech. Definition. Parts of speech are the basic categories of words in English grammar. Every word in a sentence belongs to one of these categories. Main parts: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Examples: Ali is a boy. Noun: she is beautiful. Adjective: he runs fast. Verb plus adverb: I and my friend went home. Conjunction: wow, it is amazing. Interjection. Noun. Definition. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Backhand index pointing right formula. Noun equals name of anything. Sparkles examples. 1. Ali is a student. 2. Karachi is a city. 3. This is a book. 4. Honesty is a virtue. 5. The dog is barking. 6. She is my sister. 7. I love Pakistan. 8. The car is new. 9. He is a good boy. 10. The sun is bright. Next, pronoun. Definition. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Formula. Pronoun plus verb plus object. Examples. 1. He is a teacher. 2. She likes coffee. 3. They play football. 4. We are friends. 5. It is raining. Common pronouns: I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Verb. Definition. A verb is a word that shows action, work, or state. Subject plus verb plus object. Sparkles examples. 1. Ali runs fast. 2. She reads a book. 3. They are playing football. 4. I eat rice. 5. He writes a letter. 6. The baby is crying. 7. We go to school. 8. Birds fly in the sky. 9. She is sleeping. 10. He drinks water. Preposition. Definition. A preposition is a word that shows the relation between noun, pronoun, and other words in a sentence: place, time, direction, Position. Nouns, pronoun plus preposition plus object. Examples. 1. The book is on the table. 2. She is sitting in the room. 3. He went to school. 4. The cat is under the chair. 5. The keys are in the bag. 6. They live in Karachi. 7. The picture is on the wall. 8. He is standing behind the door. 9. We arrived at 5 o'clock. 10. The ball is between two boxes. 5. Adjective. Definition. An adjective is a word that describes or tells more about a noun. Formula. Adjective plus noun. Examples. 1. She is a beautiful girl. 2. It is a red car. 3. He is a brave boy. 4. This is a big house. 5. I have a small cat. 6. The sky is blue. 7. He is a good student. 8. It is a hot day. 9. She has long hair. 10. The food is delicious. 6. Adverb. Definition. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It usually shows how, when, where, or how much. Formula. Verb plus adverb. Examples. 1. He runs fast. 2. She speaks loudly. 3. They arrived early. 4. I work hard. 5. He is very intelligent. 6. She sings beautifully. 7. They are coming tomorrow. 8. He walks slowly. 9. I always wake up early. 10. She is very happy. Next. Interjection. Definition. An interjection is a word used to express sudden feelings or emotions. Formula. Interjection plus sentence. Examples. 1. Wow, what a beautiful picture. 2. Hurrah, we won the match. 3. Alas, he lost his wallet. 4. Ouch, that hurts. 5. Oh, I forgot my keys. Conjunction. Definition. A conjunction is a word used to join words, phrases, or sentences. Formula. Word plus conjunction plus word. Sentence plus conjunction plus sentence. Examples. 1. Ali and Ahmed are friends. 2. Tea or coffee. 3. I was tired, but I finished my work. 4. She stayed home because it was raining. 5. Study hard and you will succeed. Stay connected and keep learning English step by step.